My name is Mary Schaheen. I'm president of Prevail Partners. We're a life sciences fund based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The fund's model is a corporate strategic evergreen fund, which means our money is always available for investments, and you'll never find us between funds, which makes it easy to make a decision quickly and participate with other investors in rounds. Most recently, we funded an IPO. Very proud of that. There are a dearth of IPOs these days, so it was exciting news for us as a fund. That's the first time we've funded an IPO. And we also recently had a sale from one of our portfolio companies to Biogen, which was also exciting news for that company and all the stakeholders. So we're happy to say we're a very active life sciences fund and an exciting time in life sciences as more investors are coming back to life sciences investing. And that's a relief to a lot of companies who've been waiting patiently. What I especially like about the meeting at the Mesa is I can catch up with companies that we've met previously and get an update in a very nice one on one setting, or I can meet new companies, as the case here this year. I've met half and half new companies and half companies that we've been following for some time. We also had one of our portfolio presenting here. So that's exciting for them and us as their investor. This is the first year for Cell and Gene on the Mesa to be in Phoenix. And I must say, quite a remarkable job for a first time at a venue. Very well organized, no hiccups. Really, really terrific.